What kind of helicopter name?
It's a MI2.
MI2.
MI2. It's a Polish.
Soviet design, but it was built on
Aprovecha
nice
el angular.
Okay. Oye, pero el piloto es un poco guatón, weón.
Lobo del aire, po, weón.
Lobo del aire. We need to avoid coitus interruptus. We have to do, you know, as long enough we
I know what you mean. It will be still in move.
So,
Okay.
according to our calculations, will be between.
So
Where are we now?
we are now just like about here.
Okay.
So we've got to fly here as this line goes, and afterwards we just fly across the river.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to Zulu.
Yeah.
How much time do you take to
Get
go
to-
to Zulu?
It's more or less 2 minutes,
Okay, it's pretty quick.
up to 3 minutes.
Yeah, yeah,
We
yeah.
just want to fly really
So-
fast because there will be more turbulence inside for the guys who will be handling the camera. So
Our theater of operation is Zulu.
yeah. And since that, from here to here, we also get. I suppose it should
It's
work.
important to know, because if we dream something and this word appears in our dreams, we have to be able to translate it.
Anyway, I'll be steering on the board, so we'll keep in touch.
Yes.
Okay.